Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to lock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy A52. If you have your bootloader unlocked and want to lock it, then the process is going to be very simple. Remember that it most likely will erase all your data on the phone, so if you have any important data, just back it up. And now let's begin with doing everything. So let's go to our phone. Basically shut it down. It's the first thing to do. Just press and hold on power and volume down, click on power off, click on power off again. Now you will need a computer and a cable. A cable must support data transfer because not all cables are built the same. Most cables do support the data transfers, but there are some cheaper cables that only support charging, and you most likely don't want that. Let's begin. Have your cable plugged into the computer. You won't need to use the computer. It's just there as a sort of protection from accidentally enabling or disabling the bootloader. So as I said, have your cable plugged into the computer, not to the phone yet, because on the phone you need to first start pressing and holding volume up and volume down, and while doing so plug in the USB-C. Keep on holding until you see a blue screen with texts. And now press and hold volume up. Once the screen goes off, you can release the button, and now it's gonna ask you whether you want to lock bootloader. If it asks you whether you want to unlock bootloader, your bootloader is already unlocked, so you most likely would like to click on volume down to say no, because it's already unlocked. But it's already locked. But if your bootloader is unlocked and you want to lock it, then click on volume up to go to yes. Now wait a moment, and as you can see, it is erasing my phone, so it's deleting all the data. By the way, you can unplug it from the computer already if you want. And now let's wait a moment. It's gonna take a while because a restart after erasing the data takes a while, but once it's done, we should be all good to go, and we should be able to simply set up our phone and use it. Okay, now I'm going to set the phone up pretty quick, just so I can show you what to do later. I'll skip the setup process, like you can do it yourself, I think, because I'm doing it super quickly anyway. What's most important is to connect to Wi-Fi. Connecting to Wi-Fi here is going to be pretty important, but you can also do it later after the setup. So yeah. Okay, now I have set up the phone. The last step that is worth doing, it's not crucial, but it's worth doing it. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. Go to About Phone. Go to Software Information. Now click on build number 7 times. If you have a screen lock, then enter it. Go back twice. Go all the way down. Developer options. And disable OEM unlocking, so you now cannot unlock the bootloader until you enable OEM unlocking again, and it'll bring back all the device protection features. So let's now try to restart the phone after disabling it. To do it, press and hold on power and volume down, tap on restart and tap on restart again, and wait a moment. The phone is now restarted. Our bootloader is now locked, of course. So if I went to the settings, I can scroll all the way down, and if you don't want developer options to stay there, so you don't accidentally turn on OEM unlocking, you can turn developer options off at the very top. Wait for a moment. Now they are off, so if you go back, they have disappeared. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.